8 incredible passive income ideas and how to start them. Did you know that money can work for you even while you sleep? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of passive income. We'll unlock 8 incredible passive income ideas that can potentially turbocharge your financial freedom, from the time-tested method of dividend stock investing to the digital age opportunity of creating online courses. We have got it all covered. Wondering why you should stick around? Well, generating a passive income can be your ticket to financial independence, allowing you to earn money around the clock 365 days a year with a set-it-and-forget-it approach. So buckle up and let's start your journey towards building a smarter, more efficient income stream. Number 1. Dividend stock investing. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is a traditional way to generate passive income. As a shareholder, you're entitled to a share of the company's profits, which are usually distributed in the form of dividends. The dividend yield, which is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock's price, can serve as a steady income stream, especially if you invest in companies with a reliable dividend payout history. It's also crucial to look at the overall health of the company, its competitive position in the industry, and its growth prospects. By carefully selecting such companies, you can build a portfolio that provides regular dividend income. Furthermore, remember that investing in dividend stocks also offers the potential for capital appreciation. While the dividends provide an ongoing income stream, the increase in the stock's price over time can result in substantial profits when you sell the stock. This dual potential for income and growth is what makes dividend stock investing a compelling strategy for many investors. However, investing in the stock market comes with its share of risks, and it's essential to thoroughly research each investment or seek advice from financial professionals. Number 2. Real estate investment. Real estate has long been recognized as a solid investment avenue that can generate significant passive income. Owning rental properties, for instance, provides a regular income stream from rent payments. Additionally, real estate tends to appreciate over time, which means the property could be worth more in the future than what you paid for it. This potential for both ongoing income and capital appreciation makes real estate a popular choice for many investors. But investing in real estate also requires careful planning and management. For rental properties, there are responsibilities such as maintenance, dealing with tenants, and understanding landlord-tenant laws. Alternatively, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which are companies that own and often operate income-producing real estate. By investing in REITs, you can earn a share of the income produced without having to own or manage properties yourself. Whether you're investing directly in properties or in REITs, it's essential to conduct thorough market research, understand the risks, and potentially seek advice from real estate professionals. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer or P2P lending platforms have emerged as a novel way to earn passive income. These platforms connect borrowers with investors, limiting the need for traditional banking intermediaries. As an investor, you can fund loans and earn income from the interest payments. This direct connection can result in higher returns than traditional savings or deposit accounts. Furthermore, many P2P platforms allow you to diversify your investment across multiple loans, reducing the risk associated with any single loan. However, investing in P2P lending comes with its unique set of risks. For instance, there's the risk of borrower defaults. Unlike bank deposits, P2P loans are not insured, meaning you could lose your investment if the borrower fails to repay the loan. Therefore, it's critical to diversify your investments across a variety of loans and to only use a portion of your investable assets for P2P lending. Several P2P platforms offer tools to help diversify your portfolio and manage risk, and it's advisable to utilize these resources. Number 4. Starting a blog or YouTube channel. Starting a blog or YouTube channel is another viable route to generating passive income. You can earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Furthermore, as your following grows, so does your income potential. For instance, once you've built a significant audience, you can monetize your blog or YouTube channel through ad revenue. Every time a viewer clicks on an ad on your blog or watches an ad on your YouTube video, you earn a small amount of money. However, building a successful blog or YouTube channel is no small feat. It requires consistent content creation, a knack for marketing, and a deep understanding of your target audience. Furthermore, it's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will not only make the process more enjoyable, but also increase the likelihood of creating content that resonates with your audience. Over time, with consistent effort, a blog or YouTube channel can become a significant source of passive income. Number 5. Create an online course. Online education has exploded in popularity in recent years, and if you're an expert in a particular field, creating an online course can be a highly lucrative way to earn passive income. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare allow you to create and host courses on a wide variety of topics. Once you've created the course, you can earn income each time a student enrolls, effectively monetizing your expertise. However, creating a successful online course requires a significant upfront investment of time and effort. You'll need to develop a comprehensive curriculum, create engaging content, and effectively market your course to attract students. It's also important to regularly update your course to keep the content fresh and relevant. Nevertheless, once the initial work of creating the course is done, it can generate income for years to come. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can use affiliate marketing to generate passive income. Many companies, from tech firms to fashion retailers, have affiliate programs that you can join. Success in affiliate marketing requires a good understanding of your audience's interests and needs, and the ability to create compelling content that naturally includes your affiliate links. It's important to promote products or services that you trust and that are relevant to your content. Disclosing your affiliate relationships and maintaining your audience's trust is also essential. Number 7. Selling digital products. Selling digital products online is another promising source of passive income. Digital products like ebooks, digital art, music, software, or printable items can be created once and sold repeatedly. E-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and reach customers worldwide. Creating a successful digital product requires an understanding of the market demand, strong promotional strategies, and continual updates to keep the product relevant. It's important to create a product that you are passionate about and that meets the needs of your potential customers. Use social media and other online marketing tools to promote your products and drive traffic to your store. Number 8. Renting out a room on Airbnb. If you have a spare room or property, renting it out on Airbnb can provide a significant source of passive income. Airbnb has revolutionized the way people travel, and it's a platform that connects hosts with travelers from all over the world. You can set your own price, availability, and house rule, and Airbnb's host protection insurance provides up to $1 million in property damage and another $1 million in insurance against accidents. However, successful hosting on Airbnb requires providing a clean, comfortable space and a good guest experience. It's important to accurately describe your listing and respond promptly to guest inquiries and issues. Additionally, be aware of the tax implications and local regulations related to short-term rentals in your area. Make sure to understand and follow these guidelines to ensure a smooth hosting experience. And there you have it, 8 exciting, practical, and potentially profitable passive income ideas that could catapult your financial journey. Remember, the road to passive income may require an initial investment of time, effort, and even a little capital, but the end results could be financial freedom and peace of mind. So why wait? Choose the path that resonates with you and embark on your passive income adventure today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, keep investing, keep learning, and keep growing.